Just wanted to review the screenshot of this pulse today. It's not one you see very often. There's too much going on down there in Hawaii. Last week's storm, this week's storm, pulses from various places sending energy to Antarctica. 2 big pulses from Antarctica, one last week and the one this week. Other pulses up here in the Pacific. No conspiracy theory behind any of that. It's all is what it is. They're trying to get it to quit raining, disperse that cell that's dropping all the water on Hawaii. Was it created to drop water on Hawaii? Because last week's storm was hit by a pulse from behind, which pushed it further to the west to avoid Hawaii. This week's pulse was out in front of it, which would make it bend to the north. And now that they're getting completely flooded down there, are we trying to stop it? I don't know. It is what it is. I'm just watching and sharing what I find.